As part of the MOZA Ambassador project, our innovation is about combining creativity, practical solutions, and the deep sense of responsibility to improve our community and the world. It's about applying what we learn in the curriculum in meaningful ways to address global or challenging problems. We take what we learn in the classroom and turn them into real solutions. And we're talking here about global issues related to sustainability, pollution, and safety. So in other words, we like to take our innovation a step further and inspire others and show how young people can make a difference in the society.
اسمي أمنا عبد الرحمن الحمادي، صف سادس واحد. مشروع أمتعتك بأمان، حيث اقترحنا حلول لتجنب تبديل وضياع الحقائب في المطارات عبر استخدام رمز QR وجهاز تتبع.
أنا اسمي علي السندي، الصف السادس واحد. عنوان البحث مدى فعالية مستخلص LD من نواة السمر في تنقية المياه من الدكسونات. أكثر شيء يوم رحنا جامعة قطر سوينا تجربة من هناك.
When students see things happening around them, they will steer towards being more informed and have more knowledge on these things. And when they have interest in the things they are doing, and when they work with their hands, it's easier for them to remember. It's easier for them to explore, and it becomes more fun. And adding the fun aspects of all of this just adds to the experience and makes the knowledge stick long term. I believe that when students love what they're doing and when they're enjoying their time and while learning, it's something that they carry with them for a long time, for the rest of their lives. And passion is the thing that drives, I think, students to become successful.
One example from the MOZA Ambassadors project is our robot called Aqua Garden. It was designed to help keep beaches and water areas clean by collecting trash and protecting the environment. We entered it in a research competition and it won third place.
Our dream is to see this innovation ripple outward, becoming a global tool that enhances life in different ways. And we can envision our innovation to be embraced by different societies, different schools and communities as a symbol of practical progress for a brighter future.